Alright, so I'm just going to be doing a flip cup pour with just some extra paints that I have left over from another pour I did. I have, let's see, white, oh, and also because in the last acrylic pouring I did using these paints, I was experimenting to see if extra virgin olive oil would cause cells, so keep that in mind. All I have mixed in these paints is obviously the acrylic paint, water, and extra virgin olive oil. Now this dark green color. Let me mix a little bit more of this green real fast, this lime green, because I'd really like to have some of this in the painting. Okay, lime green. Didn't mix that very well, but that's okay. And some more black. Alright, and then we're just going to set our canvas on top and flip it. Let it sit for a second. Let me just kind of add some paint to this corner to help the paint that's on the canvas flow easier, considering there wasn't a lot of paint left for this flip cup. Let me try to dry some of this up. And there we go. And yeah, actually you can already kind of see cells forming, so that is awesome. And there's another acrylic pour done.